Have you ever wondered how do rich people make their money work hard for them? Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the magic called compound interest. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it." Compound interest works over a long period of time, which many people fail to understand. Many people demand instant gratification. Delayed gratification seems to be forgotten in today's fast-paced world. We are able to get anything with a tap of a button. You want a bag from Japan? You can get it as soon as a few days. Delayed gratification is important in compound interest. Your interest will be very little at the beginning as your capital is very small. Over time, your capital will get larger and larger like a snowball, and your interest will get larger too. We call this the snowball effect. The snowball effect is crucial in your path to financial independence and to build wealth. Compounding might look small at first, but over the long run, you will smile while you look at your money getting compounded. It's like rolling a snowball. Initially, it will start off small and slow. As you keep rolling, it will grow in size exponentially. You might feel that your capital is growing very slowly at the start. To put into context, a 6% return on 10,000 capital is 600, while 6% return on $100,000 capital is 6,000. Do not disturb your portfolio unnecessarily. By not touching them, you allow the magic of compound interest to work. You should start young and early. The best time to start using the magic of compounding is yesterday. The next best time is now. Let's demonstrate the magic of starting early by taking a look at two scenarios for person A and B. Now, before we continue with the case, if you are enjoying the content so far and has helped you in understanding what compound interest is, do click on the like button below to show your support. Only 15% of you watching are subscribed to my channel. If you'd like to see more of such content to learn and grow your knowledge and wealth, do subscribe to my channel as it will help with the YouTube algorithm. Person A, he starts investing $1,000 a month, $12,000 a year, starting from age 25. Person B starts investing $1,000 a month, $12,000 a year, starting from age 30. So assuming that in both scenarios, both of them achieved a return on investments of 6% per annum. By starting 5 years earlier, person A has $128,000 more than person B. Moreover, person A only invested $60,000 more than person B over the past 5 years. The concept of compounding behind this example is that the returns you get each year increases, which increases the returns you get next year, which then increases your returns even more. This creates a snowball effect that compounds every year. Of course, you can also see the power of starting early. A case example is the legendary investor Warren Buffett. He got his first million when he was 30 years old. He wasn't a billionaire until 50 years old. 99% of his net worth was earned after his 50th birthday. He did this by starting early and letting his money compound year after year. Invest regularly and consistently. One thing to help you do this is to automate your finances. By transferring a portion of your income into your investment automatically, you remove any barriers and efforts needed. You will not feel any resistance when you receive your paycheck. As you continue to add into your capital monthly, you build your snowball faster. Compound interest is a magic you have to learn and execute. So I hope you have learned something new today. If you did, do click the like button, comment on what you have learned, and share this video with your friends. I post videos on personal finance and updates on my personal portfolio. If you like this content, subscribe to me and turn on the notification bell. You will get notified when I post more content in the future. I'll see you in the next video.